Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 50 moving average in Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness, then go to indicator, this one. Click on it and type here on the search bar moving average. Okay, so click on it. And now we have to make this one a 50 moving average. So all you have to do is click on it one time. And as you can see here, we have the moving average. So click on these three dots and click on settings. Now go to input and type here 50. Okay. Now go to style and you can change the color if you want. For example, green. You have here the thickness of the moving average. You can choose one of these. So for me, I will choose this one. And after you finish, just click on OK. And this one is our 50 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.